So next we've got our button head or protruding head tooling. This is comprised of the button head locator with a machined bushing on the inside. Now when you get these pieces, you'll have a pilot drilled bushing like this. You'll need to machine that up to within about 2/1000ths of the OD of the fastener head that you wanted to cut. To take it out, take your guide extractor again and just push that bushing out. You want to mic the outside diameter of the fasteners, bring this over to your machinist and have him or her ream this up to the proper size. To install, simply put it back in. You want to make sure that the flush side is out. Push it into place. This is our button head adapter and guide. Again, the guide is the colored part, the adapter is the orange part. To change out this guide, put our guide extractor in, push it out. To put a new one in, simply clip him back into place. You want to do that same guide inspection as you did before. Make sure you have the right size electrode and feel for it to be nice and form-fitting. It should not be tight, it should not be loose. Again, we've got our button head locator, we've got our button head adapter and guide. Again, cup and code and fit, so there's no mix-ups, and you're ready to rock.